Welcome to Trucking Grave.
Wagwan! Trucking great fans. Man, this week has been a roller coaster. No, I'm in Cincinnati, Ohio. Yep, I don't know what's going on here, man. It's traffic. I'm stuck. Stuck in traffic. Look at this. I have to be riding in the left lane because, man, I ain't going over in that right lane. I ain't going in that right lane. I got 2 hours and 34 minutes, 155 miles to get to my destination. And I got 5 hours and 10 minutes on my clock. And I'm stuck in traffic. And you know what I'm doing? While I'm driving, you see it. Check out Swift. Nobody likes Swift. Why? Yeah, maybe I should do a video on that. Maybe I should do a video on why nobody likes Swift. Why? I don't know, it's just, man, just a few bad apples, and everybody gets, the entire company gets blamed and get tarnished. You know, that's why reputation is a big deal. Yep, like CFI, they're big on safety. You know, that's why when you look at all the weight stations and stuff like that, we don't even get pulled into those things. You know, we just this thing right up here, it turns green, and I get to go, and everybody else get pulled in. So the less time I spend sitting, the more money I make. You understand? Yeah, that's where it goes. Ah, no, I'm stuck in this flipping traffic, man. I don't know. There must be an accident down there or something, you know. Hopefully, it's not something horrible or fatal. I can see some police lights down there somewhere, off in the distance. So I'm just gonna keep videoing and see if I can capture what's going on down there. Alright. Yeah, there's definitely something going on down there in the distance. I can see the police lights. Uh, zoom in too much. Yeah, I can see that. I'll check in back again when I get down there. I'll check in back. I'll make sure I get it. Yeah, so yeah, definitely was an accident. As you can see right here. Yeah, I mean, like it's a fender bender though. It's not like something too serious. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's it. Guess I'm rolling again. So I'll catch you guys later. Yeah. Was good, people. Yeah, I'm checking in again. So it has been smooth sailing since I left the traffic over there in Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah, right now I'm at just few minutes. Yeah, I'm about 2 miles away from my drop-off location over here in Findlay, Ohio. Yeah, this is the final load for this week. Man, the thing is, this load this load is not supposed to be delivered until Thursday. As a matter of fact, I don't even know how I got this load to pick up this morning, because it's not supposed to be picked up until tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. in the morning, tomorrow. But I went there and I got lucky. I got it. So I'm running it right now. It's supposed to be a Japanook. I'm going to the Lowe's distribution over here in distribution center over here in Findlay, Ohio. Man, I really need this load to deliver today before 12 o'clock, so I can have a good week, man, because really and truly my week has been really like a roller coaster, man, you know. Alright, so maybe all clear. My week has been a roller coaster, really and truly. You saw what happened on the weekend, man, and yeah, it was crazy. And it got even worse when I got to Michigan. You know, my weekends have not been good lately. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, but yeah, those wish me luck, guys. Let's see if they're gonna take it. All right, I need them to take it to get a good week. You know, my week is not, yeah, it's not bad. You feel me? But for it to be great, you know, we do things over here, right? After all, this is a chucking great, so everything needs to be great. So yeah, let's see where it goes. All right.
Hello. You bring your paperwork into the office.
I can bring it there now? I can take it there now? I can.
Yep, you can. If you want to pull up, stop at the white line, then you're good to go into the office.
Okay, all right.
No, driver's seat there.
Alright. Today is the 25th. Trailer number is 419.
On the bottom of the red box. You can take an empty out if we got one.
Yes, I need an empty. No, sir. First time.
Got the trailer in 1939.
Okay.
Rip is right next to you, 1938. You're
Okay.
here. You're drive straight up, all the way to the end. They'll both be right there on your right hand side.
Perfect. CFI.
Copy.
Yeah, I'm getting lucky.
There you go.
All right, man. Thank you very much, sir.
I need to see your driver's license.
Okay.
That's good. Just leave it in there. Okay, thank you.
All right, sir.
Have a good one.
You too, sir. All right, guys. I got lucky. I got to drop it today. I get to drop it today. Big Bad CFI, Big Bad Peterbilt, dirty truck. Yep, so watch me drop this trailer and pick up another one. So see if I want me to pick up a trailer, but they are telling me which trailer to pick up, so that's not gonna work. CFI right there. Alright, so this thing first, I'm not backing this thing blindsided, and make sure I'm backing it from the inside that I can see. So that we just turn and see if I can get a good setup. It's all about the setup. If the setup is bad, everything is bad. Yep. This is where I'm parking. We can get a decent setup right here. Alright. Skills, guys. You have to go to school for this and train for this. Yep. This ain't easy. One pull up. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Turn on my light spot there. Get the gloves. All right. Look at that. Some nice parking. All right. Release my ear lines. All right. Before I release the kingpin, I have to lower the landing gears first. Just in case. Alright. I already know how to do this. Oh, this one is tight. Build some muscle. Alright. Yeah. And before I leave this trailer, I gotta do a pre-chip on it, make sure it's intact. So check, make sure the inspection is up to date, inspection paper is in there intact. That was it. Check the seals working all right. It's no bumps, no bulges, nothing. Check my tires. There's good mud flaps in place. I already know the lights are working already. So everything is in place. This is one that I will be picking up. Let me check it out real quick. It's empty. Tires on it. Yeah. Side one double pre-chip. Tires on that one I'm picking up. Tires on this one. Yeah. This one, the tandems are up for sliding. Lights in place. DOT tape. No bulges. Alright. Yep. So it's good for me to drop it now. I gotta release the kingpin. Whew, that one was tight. Alright. And now I just started away from. I move out a little bit. I stop. This button right here. Push that button and lower my earbuds so that the trailer drops by itself. Alright. And it's free. Chocolate just slides out. Okay. Raise back my earbag and get in position for the other trailer that I'm picking up. It's dark out here, guys, so yeah. Let me see if I can find the trailer. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Luckily it's not too dark where I need a flashlight. I have one, but yeah, I don't need it. You can see. Alright. 35117. Alright. Let's go check. So, the first thing first, before I raise the landing gear or anything, first thing I do, I put in my electrical lines. The reason I do that is to check the lights before anything. Check the lights on it, make sure the lights are working before I waste my time and raise the landing gear and all that. So, I check the lights, make sure this light, the ABS light, make sure this light should never be on. If it's on, that means there's something wrong with your brakes. You understand? So, the lights are working, and this right here is a problem. So I have a problem. I have to go to the shop and get this fixed at the Loves over there, because my license plate light is not on. This is a ticket right here, you feel me? So luckily the Loves is just 5 miles away from here, so when I get there I get that fixed. Alright, those up there should be some clearance lights at the top of this trailer as well, so that's gonna be another problem. I have to get it fixed. I definitely go to the Loves and get it fixed. Luckily I'm done for the night, so shouldn't be no worries. That's right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be in the shop with this trailer for a little bit. But the good part about this is this is not on me, that's on CFI. CFI pays for anything that needs to be fixed on the trailer. If it was on my truck, anything that's wrong with my truck that needs to be fixed, if one of my lights out, I gotta fix it out of my pocket. Yeah. But when something is wrong with the trailer itself, that's on CFI. So come back, I pull this out and then I connect my ear lines. So my ear lines, and connect back the electrical right here. And that's the order in which it will do it. So, alright, now I raise the landing gear. Alright, this one is not too tight, this one is free. Yeah, and that's how you do it, guys. So I'm gonna have to go to the shop at the Loves right now and go over there and see if they can work on these trailer lights for me. But I gotta send in my empty card first. Okay, and I'm good to go. So yes, guys, I catch you all later. All right.